was a time when this was the standard of technology in manufacturing. The success or failure of a company depended on the productivity of its people, who guided each step manually to that final finished product. It was a good time for industry, when man and machine joined together to bring about a new period of growth in manufacturing. Growth that moved companies to reach beyond their physical limitations, to achieve new levels of productivity and quality. When the mind reaches beyond what the hand can do, new technologies are born, and soon, new standards are set. What was yesterday's research and development is today's applied technology. In manufacturing environments like this one, the development of computer-controlled machining methods has brought about the highest level of production ever experienced in manufacturing. A new manufacturing tool will be making a major contribution to the surge in industrial growth: computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing. This is Unigraphics, CAD/CAM from Mikado. CAD/CAM is pioneering new methods of cost and time efficiency in hundreds of new applications. This new system for design and manufacturing literally energizes the engineering process. Its ability to strip away repetitive tasks and to perform complex operations automatically gives it up to 50 times the performance power of previous manual methods. As an idea begins to take shape in the mind of a designer, its potential can be seen on the screen within minutes. Through the tutorial nature of the system, he is guided through the entire design process by a series of messages which prompt and ask for choices from displayed menus. By conversing with the system in normal English, the designer constructs descriptive geometry for the part, while the system stores its exact mathematical geometry in computer memory. Through its three-dimensional design and surfacing capabilities, the electronic prototype is created. Speed and ease of operation provide for the investigation of several different design approaches without the expense of building prototypes for each new design. Completely dimensioned, annotated, and labeled, the finished design is more than a drawing. It's a complete three-dimensional model of the part. It can be used to produce different drawings and reports within minutes, prints and hard copies within seconds. This same model, held in storage in its entirety, forms the foundation for the manufacturing process. Maintaining the precise geometry of the design part, the CAD/CAM system can graphically produce and test the actual cutting path, and then proceed to translate image to language, to machine. From idea to final product, this is Unigraphics, CAD/CAM from Mikado, a total three-dimensional system for design, analysis, documentation, and manufacturing. Unigraphics computer-aided design and manufacturing, bringing increased productivity, better communication and standardization, and significant decreases in man-hours and costs, the very factors needed for planned, profitable manufacturing growth. Let's visit a company growing with CAD/CAM. Data Products Corporation is the world's largest independent manufacturer of computer printers. They provide state-of-the-art line, matrix, and daisy wheel printers for some of the world's largest computer corporations. In order to grow in its own market, Data Products needed a technological edge for the design and manufacturing of its products. They look to CAD/CAM for that edge.
The Mercury product is one for which quick development and entry into the marketplace was critical to success. Previous printer development programs have taken us 2 to 4 years. Our goal was to cut that in half and perhaps develop this printer in a year or less. The CAD-CAM system helps us do that a number of ways. It gets complex parts in earlier by providing an error-free interface with vendors who have the CAD-CAM capability, and it speeds up the release cycle.
One of the reasons that I chose Unigraphics was that I felt that McAuto provided some of the best technical support in the industry. Without previous experience on any type of system, it amazed me how quickly the designers learned Unigraphics.
At Data Products, productivity and quality are key issues. Engineering really needed to reduce the amount of time that it took to design a new product and the amount of change as we took the new product into manufacturing. The Unigraphics CAD-CAM system has helped us bring out our new printer products quicker, for less cost, and with higher design integrity.
At Smith Tool in Southern California, Unigraphics is opening the door to fully integrated design and manufacturing. With the development of the CAM software modules, computer-aided design is at last linked interactively to the manufacturing operation. After the design is produced on the Unigraphics system, the same design geometry is used as input to the CAM modules, facilitating programming and visual toolpath prove-out. The slash mark between CAD and CAM has been called many things: a wall, a bridge. With Unigraphics, it's a doorway. With the graphics lathe module, powerful and efficient programming capabilities are incorporated into the Unigraphics system. This optional software enhancement allows the user to create two-axis lathe motion automatically with an immediate display of the toolpath for inspection and approval. Interactively, GLM performs in logical sequence in terms familiar to the machinist to show roughing, finishing, threading. The system constantly prompts for information about tool descriptions, machining parameters, part and material contours, and post-processor parameters. This information is integrated into the cutter location, or CL file, for transmission through the post-processor to the machine tool. The Graphics Mill module is an integrated software package designed for creation of NC machine tool part programs. Utilizing the Unigraphics three-dimensional geometric database, GMM eliminates the need for manual coding of geometric statements. Its highly interactive capability allows complete control of the system. Errors previously detected on the shop floor are found and corrected at the design station, because the system displays the exact cutter geometry and motion. GMM can take the user through planar machining, multiple pass profiling, point-to-point, and pocketing. With its 2 to 2.5 axis capability, the Graphics Mill module can produce NC part programs quickly and accurately, allowing the Unigraphics system to boost your shop floor productivity even further. NC machining requiring 3, 4, and 5 axis capability can rely on the Graphics multi-axis module for fast and accurate part programming. The GMAX machining functions will contour any Unigraphics created surface for rough and finish passes. GMAX will do surface machining containment, swarf cutting, and drive curve machining. Its interactive ability gives the user control over tool motion on multiple surfaces. This powerful software tool increases the productivity of your Unigraphics system and your machine tools. The Unigraphics CAM modules are further enhanced using McAuto's library of more than 1,500 post-processors, supporting a wide variety of NC machine tools. The Unigraphics CAM modules, they're taking design to manufacturing. through total interaction. Additional support and enhancement modules for the Unigraphics system provide other interactive capabilities. The Graphics Schematics module is another software option for your Unigraphics system. It enables the user to create schematic drawings. Parts and connector lists can be generated from those drawings. This information can be used as input to other Unigraphics application packages. The Graphics Finite Element module provides the user with a complete element library from which any type of structure can be idealized. Automatic mesh generation and various duplication techniques enable the user to quickly finalize models using the geometry from the initial design. After visual geometry and model verification, the finite element data necessary for analysis is filed in the correct format for general-purpose analysis programs. McAuto's unique Graphics Interactive Programming Language, GRIP, allows you to enhance and tailor Unigraphics to your needs. This high-level language is one of the most important developments in interactive CAD/CAM graphics systems to date. GRIP creates its own geometry and dimensions, providing the interactive link between designer and database. Using GRIP programs, you customize your own system to save design time and steps. Any systematic design procedure can be set up as a GRIP program and can be called up instantly, prompting the user to make decisions or enter data only when necessary. Elaborate family of parts systems automatically produce complete sets of engineering designs, drawings, and part programs. The accumulated contributions of experienced designers, their ideas, their shortcuts, their innovations, can all become part of your system. The productivity of a less experienced user is greatly enhanced. The development of new standards in manufacturing begins when companies incorporate new technologies into their plans for growth. Today, McAuto is applying computer-aided design and graphics technology to help bring robotics to industry. Place, the software module for positioner layout and cell evaluation, is the first in an evolving series of modules designed to make the promise of robotics and flexible automation a reality. Place is designed to graphically create, analyze, and verify manufacturing work cell descriptions. It enables you to manipulate all the components of a work cell. The designer can evaluate several robot and cell combinations. For the first time, cell design can be evaluated before installation. McAuto's interactive solid modeling system is the first commercially available software system of its kind. Unisolids is based on Paddle 2, the part and assembly description language developed in the production automation project at the University of Rochester. Unisolids is available on the same 32-bit processors as Unigraphics and allows the transfer of geometry to the system for analysis, drafting, and machining processing. A printed circuit board module will bring the latest in large and complex printed circuitry design to the Unigraphics user. Robotics engineering, solid modeling, PCB design. This is new product development from McAuto, created, tested, and delivered by the leader in industrial and manufacturing data processing. The McAuto Unigraphics system is supported through regional centers in Europe and in over 20 major American cities. Company headquarters, the McAuto campus, is located in St. Louis, Missouri. As the word campus implies, McAuto's educative philosophy and influence are of primary importance. The campus has been designed to provide a full range of computer operations and services for its clients. It maintains an extensive technical research library to serve its technical support staff. McAuto provides a wide range of classes and programs designed to meet individual client needs. The professionally staffed training programs are without equal in the CAD/CAM industry today.
Training is the key to improved productivity, and McAuto is committed to providing its Unigraphics customers with quality CAD/CAM training. This training will play a significant role in your company's success with CAD/CAM.
McAuto training involves instruction in the use of the Unigraphics system and provides valuable tools for integrating CAD/CAM into your company's current and future applications. Combining the tutorial advantages of the Unigraphics system with our effective training programs, McAuto can bring the novice up to speed, provide the advanced user with new capabilities, and give management the assistance they need to bring CAD/CAM methodology into their operation. The results, a successful and dependable CAD/CAM installation. McAuto and its programs reflect thoughts of growth for the clients McAuto serves and in the services it offers. McAuto clients enjoy the most complete programs, services, and resources available to the CAD/CAM user today.
The company is continually adding to its curriculum, ensuring that you have the sharpest competitive edge, and McAuto will look to meet those needs far into the future.
The efforts of today's pioneers in CAD/CAM are lighting the way for future growth of hundreds of manufacturing operations worldwide.
What will the manufacturing operation of the future look like? Well, not long ago, ideas like artificial intelligence, robots, automated factories, computer graphics had a faraway sound to them. We know now they're not ideas of the future.
They are the realization of the technological growth working for us today, for improved productivity, for reductions in time and cost.
The new tools of the industrial growth process, the ones that will take us into the future.